All right, man. I think we're ready to roll, folks. Coming in on time. Whoa. What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. It's tournament day. Biggest stream of the week, folks, as I like to say. I like to call you guys folks. What's happened? Do we play a game? Play a game? Guys, I kind of want to win the tournament today. You know what that means? No, I don't want to. I want to do a little bit of get chess on my brain. First ones are easy, folks. What's going on, man? It's Wednesday. Looking for back rank mates, guys. Back rank mates. What? It's loud. You know, I could have my volume closer to me so I don't have to stretch, but like, is it really that big of a deal? This is not checkmate. This is checkmate. Back rank mate for sure. Hey, Jay, how you doing, man? Good to see you, brother. Tournament day. Jay, you playing today, man? I was talking to Bill earlier. Bill said he might play today. We go here. The BRM, guys. The Black Rock Mountain. Otherwise known as back rank mate. Check. They didn't let me play the mate, bro. Okay. Yeah. Okay. When you see it, when you just know it's mate, just play the mate. Don't be afraid. I'm looking for the sniper bishops, though. Because they will get you wrong. Oh, guys, you guys are the likes. The hype is real, man. William Hunt with the share and like always sharing. William, thank you, man. Sharing is caring, folks. Sharing is caring. White to make a maneuver. This is a check and then no. Huh. Where's the mate? I don't see it. This is an easy one. This is number 10, guys. And they're already trying to trick me. Check, king comes. And then rook here is mate. God. Oh, wow. Lucky this is still mate. Okay, check, king comes up, doesn't do anything. There are no snipers involved. Check, king comes over, check, rook, check is mate. Because you had to see the queen covers this escape square, guys. Tricky. Pretty tricky. I'm tearing through them. The board is wonky. Why is it wonky, though? It is wonky. It's because I'm on puzzles. We go here. This works. This is actually better. Thank you. A little bit was cut off, folks. A little bit was cut off. Check, checkmate, guys. Check, check, mate. Okay. It's like, this is what we call the SRM, guys. A side rank mate. Okay. So we just saw this one. We just saw that one. It was a knight, though. It was a little bit slightly different. This is checkmate. The backward queen move, folks. It's very tricky. It's very exclusive. Only here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. There's no smothered mate, guys. Get that out of your head. Just take the hanging rook. It's a hanger, folks. We got a hanger, Sarge. Check. Check is mate, right? Okay. Just doing these kind of quick, guys, which actually makes me feel good. White to make a maneuver. Oh, this is mate right here. Just play the mate, guys. The rook is in the way, guys. My big dumb rook was in the way. Bill Stevens, how you doing, man? Good talking to you earlier. Rhodes, how you doing? Sullivan, welcome, dude. Happy Wednesday, man. Who's getting in the tournament? We got it. I think, well, I know the tournament is open. We can always come back to this. So let's go to Chiller's weekly tournament starts in 54chess.com. Minutes. Join. I clicked. There we go. I'm in the tournament. I think it's pinned on YouTube and Twitch. But for my Facebook peeps, there's your tournament, man. There we go. Okay, now we need to get back. We need to get back to where we once were. I'm the first guy in the tournament, guys. That is awesome. Puzzles. Puzzle Rush. I love survival. You can just come right back to it. How cool is that? Check and mate. Well, it's mate in 3. Or, because check, knight interpose, check, queen interpose, check. Yeah, he doesn't even... Why do they sack the pieces sometimes? Sometimes they don't. Can I get a puzzle doctor in here, guys? A puzzle doctor-ologist. What are we looking at here? Diagonales. All it does is win a piece, though. What? This must be the move. Knight comes. Oh, bishop takes check. He doesn't have the square. Yeah. A little slow on the uptake, folks. What do we got here? We're at 21. We're absolutely tearing through these. You want to take the knight, guys. But check. King over. Check. Queen must interpose. You got to see the weird check, folks. It's a weird check. These pawns were in the way, man. Sean, big screen Barnhart. Truth and Chiller, how you doing today? Good to see you, man. Truth and Chill and Truth Chiller. Sean Barnhart. Truth Chiller is on multiple platforms, folks. This is a check. Rook comes back. Check. King takes. Check. And then mate. Is that it, really? I think that's it. Wow. Cool, guys. I'm seeing the tactiques today. I have to trust myself, though. Black to make a maneuver. Well, white can move up. Or can he? Is it this check? So we check, and then we check, and then we mate. That's a beautiful mate, guys. That's a beautiful mate. White to make a maneuver. What is the knight is pinned, so I could take this with check. It doesn't do anything. I could checkmate here. Wow, that's pretty cool. The knight's pinned, folks. Don't try this at home unless you see it. This is kind of a thing, guys. It's a thing where the pawns block and it's checkmate. That's kind of a cool thing. Yeah, there we go. There we go. White to make a maneuver. I see a check. I see a check and then a check. And that's the checkmate. Right there. Okay, white to make a maneuver. We can take a pawn with check, guys. Winning. King moves over, rook takes rook mate. Queen e5 check. Good, that was it. He attacks my queen, but I have a check. This square is not covered, though. Maybe it's this check first? Forcing? Yes. Because if queen check first, the king can come up and he gets away. But if we bishop check first... Good. I wanted to show you guys the line. You saw it, right? Some of you guys did. Tournament day, folks. Get involved. The link is pinned or posted on Facebook. Join the tournament. If you are not on chess.com, it's very, very easy, guys. I have a free affiliate link to join chess.com. It's free, like it's always free. And if you want to join chess.com, your first step is this. That's my affiliate link at no cost to you. But if you do ever decide to spend some money, chess.com gives me money out of their pocket, folks. Out of their pocket, not yours. But it's free if you don't want to. Right there. There we go. That's your first step. You get on chess.com. Biggest chess platform in the world. Okay? Then, once you do that, you go to join the tournament. It's right here. This is how you join the tournament, folks. The exact instructions. That's how you join the club and the tournament. Bang, and... Yep, just YouTube has a shortened message span. Kind of like tweets. They only say too many letters. At least they used to. Didn't they up that? There we go. And that's how you get into the tournament once you are already on chess.com. Black to move. Okay, we just literally... Wow. They're getting hard. Pawn takes. Queen takes. I could take here and it does nothing. I could take here and win a pawn. But he's going to take. He's going to be on my bishop. This would be a really weird move, and it's not it. The thing... Oh, this is forcing because it does... Oh, queen and then here. Uh-oh. Why am I still playing? I have a check and pick up the rook? Really? There we go. I'll take it. I didn't see it to the finish, folks. All vibes provided are always abiding. Dude, you know it, man. You know it. The vibes are clearly abiding. White to make a maneuver, guys. What is a maneuver? There's a knight check. Forces him here, and then we come here. Give me that. Give me that rook. This is... It's not pinned. I have a check. King comes. And then what? I feel no kick drum. Rook over, winning the bishop. Check. King moves. Rook over, wins the bishop. Because if he moves it, he loses a rook and actually gets mated. This is the trick now. This could be the first mistake, guys. I think this is it, though. There we go. Hey, I saw it, guys. I solved the puzzle. Check. Doesn't do anything. I could... It must start here. But he could come back. It doesn't do anything. Check. King up. Rook here is mate. Well, okay. Yeah, the interposition, folks. It's always a good move when you can interpose. It slows mate down by one move. Guys, we're on a 33 streak. Haven't gotten one wrong yet. And it is black to move. I see a back rank. I see some dark squares. What? Rook takes rook. Pawn takes. He's threatening a pretty naughty check. But then I get this check. Comes over here, he's mated. And if he goes this way, I don't see a million checkmates. It just goes too deep. Although this is number 33. Guys, we're using the coffee mug that keeps coffee warm, guys. Maybe I'll drink slower then. There's no discovered attack because that would be check. It must be this check. King up. I have queen check, king up. I have queen check. It starts here. Okay, I knew it started. Isaac, how you doing, man? Good to see you. Isaac Santiago Isaac. The name is so great, you could say it twice. Yeah, definitely want to hang out with that guy. Now, if I check, we definitely bring the queen. I just don't know if going behind is going to make a huge difference in our scenario. I could play check, and if king takes, I don't even have this check. It's either... Oh, no, queen check here doesn't work because of knight covers, guys. That eliminates a lot of stuff. So now we have to be looking at this move. It's either this check or rook takes check. He's a great defender. Well, this is a great attacker. I may have ideas of checking this way. Oh, check. This is pinned. If he comes here, this is mate. If he plays this, we play this. It's check. Solved it, folks. I ain't gonna lie, I guessed a little bit. The universe is ruled by the chill stream rock vibe. Dude, man, thank you. Thank you. We have created a vibe here. The vibe creates itself, though. You can't make a vibe. You can set the... all the thing up, the criteria for a vibe. But that doesn't mean it's going to vibe. You know what I'm saying? A vibe has to happen. You can give it the best opportunity to vibe. The example I give all the time is like a nightclub. You can look at a nightclub that has a great vibe and you could copy it. But till the people show up and the vibe happens, no vibe. No vibe. Yeah, you just want to give yourself the best chance. And then you gotta, it's like if you build it, they might come. I have a check. And if king takes, this is checkmate. But I have a check, and if king runs, I have queen takes check. And then we get this, and that's checkmate. So it looks like the bishop check. Pretty cool little check, right? Now, you had to see this because I saw the getaway score, and I'm like, okay, what's the answer to that? And then this is checkmate because you can't run because they're both covered. See ya. Boys, I hope I don't keep my attitude like that when I start playing the community. Eric Toom says, at work, so no sound. Just dropping some positive vibes for you. One of the most consistent streamers I know. God bless, buddy. Eric Tooms, thank you, man. Thank you very much. I really try to always be here at 3 o'clock, man. It's the gaming streams. Everyone knows it's almost always 8 o'clock. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and then I try and add some other streams too on the weekends. Sometimes it's 8:15. Sometimes it's 8:30. Tournament day today. This stream runs a little late. I gotta eat. And so, yeah, but the chess streams, man, 3 o'clock, Monday through Thursday, man. What is the move here? This threatens a mate. He has no checks. See, this threatens two mates. One here, but the queen's covering it, but one here. How does the queen cover both mates? It can't. Now you can't leave. Sacks the queen, folks. I'm going to go ahead and say king takes queen. Solved it. Black to make a maneuver. I'm ready for the tournament, guys. I'm just ready for the tournament. When's it start? How soon? 41 chess.com minutes. Black to move. It must be this check. But then the bishop interposes. Oh, and then we play bishop takes check. Get the knight. You'll have a check at the end and get this bishop, maybe. It must be this move because we don't have enough people in the party. Queen check, you can play knight back. He's defending. It's this check. Okay, now. Queen takes might be a blunder. Because king over. And we have nothing. But bishop takes says now you can't leave. Now I can take the knight with discovered check. Is there a better move? No. We must do this. Oh, that was it. Okay. Okay. I thought that was going to be more. Eric Toombs is watching at work. I love that. Do you put on the custom-made captions at the bottom from Facebook so you can kind of read what I'm saying, Eric. I used to work at the machine shop, man. I had to pay very, very, very good attention to what I was doing because you're operating heavy machinery. People could get really hurt. But sometimes you push the button, the machine's working for 6 minutes, 4 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes. So you could as long as you stay there and be ready, pay attention, you could look at your phone. You could watch Magnus become world champion. Black to make a move. The first thing I look at is the check. I don't see it. Queen takes, hits the rook, sets up, trapping his queen. But, okay, now I just take the rook. He stepped out because I was going to win his queen. Now, if I take, is there anything? The knight comes, we just take, we're fine, we're up a rookster. Okay, now. Could I play queen takes? I could, but it's not made of wood. I think we save our queen. If the rook comes, we take the pawn and get away. We save our queen. There we go. You have to sack it. Bill Stevens says, the look on those spikers' faces when he locks the door and says, now you can't leave. I know, it's such a great scene, man. I love that scene. It's absolutely amazing. Those guys were pushing it. They kind of had it coming, man. White to move. This is not checkmate. This is number 38. This is puzzle number 38, and it's made in one. Okay, let's slow down. Am I in check? No. Okay, I'm not in check. I mean, I don't know. I don't have that checkmate. F it. This checkmate. That was like the first one. First thing I see is escaping with an attack. Also, I see a check. Forcing him to the light square. The bishop is backward sniping, so I don't have a checkmate. But I may have this check. Is there a way to... Well, he's on my queen. He's on my queen. And I don't think I'm mating. Oh, I could be. Wait. No, I'm not. You know, I'm like, I see this bishop. Is there a bishop that could take this? Maybe we're mating somehow, but no. It must start here. And then just take the bishop. E6 is hanging. Queen check. King moves somewhere. Bishop takes. But then what if rook takes? This square could fall. But I think we're still winning. Okay, let's see if we cut the queen off. Is there a way? I'm also considering blockading this bishop and threatening mate. He'll take my queen. So I think we have to start with the queen check. Well, okay, no. There's a pawn check here too. Let's just be sure pawn check doesn't work. Pawn check. Forced. I have no light squared bishop. That's not it. It's queen check. Okay, now I don't see it. I still don't see it, folks. I'm not going into puzzle jail. Not yet. I don't feel like I'm in jail. When I feel like I'm in jail, we'll do puzzle jail. Till then, no. Guys, stay out of jail, man. It's not hard, guys. It's not hard. I think we take this, but then he has rook takes, and if queen takes, he has queen takes. I don't see it. I I don't see it. Now does this work? No, because the queen will just take. Now does blocking work? It doesn't do anything. There's a piece here. There's a frick. Guys, there's a piece here. Wait, this could make gnarly threats, though. Queen just comes back. And then takes, and his queen still covers the checkmate. There's a checkmate here. How do we make it happen, guys? How does one does not simply make the checkmate happen? Bishop takes, rook takes. And he gets his check here, guys. And actually, no, yeah, I could come back here. I think we take the piece. Now, do we take the rook? Well, he's on my queen, and I don't have any checks. So now you can't not take the rook. I think we take the rook, queen check, and then it's going to ask me where I move to. Okay, if I come to this square, the rook comes in. If I come straight back, he has check. King over, check. So we must come here? Really? It's horrifying, but guys, we have two moves. King F8, queen check. King G8, queen takes rook check. See what I'm saying? King H7, the bishop's still stopping the mate, the queen's under attack. Then we just bring the queen back somewhere to a reasonable square, and king's blocking his rook. His rook can come though. The queen has to get away, but then this. Wow, are they going that deep? Does anyone believe they would go this deep? I don't believe they're going that deep. Check, king over. That drop does drop a rook, but am I up a rook? No, I'm up an exchange. And his king is very in a lot of. His king is very open. It's an open air market, guys. Like the Shali Bani Mal in Ishtar. You go there and you ask Muhammad, tell him you want to buy a blind camel. Yeah, it's the password, guys. That loses a rook. King G6, bishop check. King H6. I know that this loses a rook, so I'm coming here. Okay, there we go. So I didn't even have to go that far. I'm like, okay, I'm going to go one move. Guys, 40 with no mistakes. We could break our world record. I didn't even look what the world record was. Bishop F4, rook F4, queen F4, queen E. King G6. King G6. I think that's where I ended up going, right? Okay, black to move. I need an easy puzzle, folks. Check. Mate. It is an easy one. Wow. Why so easy? And it's not made. The queen can come back. But the rook, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Watch it. Oh, they didn't show it to you guys. The queen interposes and I play rook takes checkmate. It's a beautiful, beautiful scenario. Contact check, folks. He's attacking my pawns. White to make a move. He's attacking my pawns. I have check. King up. Takes check. King up. Check. He takes. Is it? Oh wait, this check. It's the transfer check. It's the transfer check. Because the bishop. It goes check, king over, and then queen check. We saw this earlier. You force him where you want him to go. Now use can't leave. There we go. Okay, black to make a move, guys. 42. I'm telling you, they were getting way harder last time we did this, guys. Have I become a better puzzle player? Maybe. 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 How much time till tournament, guys? Ooh, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Get involved. I'm going to check participation in a minute here. This just seems like a great move, forcing him to this square. This check back. No other pieces help. Oh, check. The king must come up, and then the rook plays. Now we have two attackers. It might be this idea: check, check, and bring a rook. Because I only have one attacker. There's no checks with the knight. There's no other checks. I can't trap his queen. I'm gonna just go on a limb. Okay? I did that based on just the idea of once I play this move and the king comes up, we get more checks. Then the king comes back. Now you get nothing. I only have one check. I have a bring to peace. But that just, I mean, I'd be threatening one checkmate. He could, like, stop it or something. He could stop it. See what I'm saying? It must be check. Dave Joyce! Dave Joyce with the 2. Did we say that's euros or pounds? Super chat.
Dave Joyce donated £2 through Super Chat.
Pounds.
Good luck to everyone playing in today's tourney.
Thank you, Dave Joyce. Thank you for being here, man. We love Dave Joyce, guys. He's rated a little higher than me, folks. And every time he tells me to make a move, it's always a simple move. You want to be higher rated? Just castle. Just bring the other rook. Just knight f6. Telling you guys. Worst thing about this game, you start growing a brain. Now, this is an idea, but it doesn't do anything, and there's no attackers. But I don't see. Check. If the king comes up, I think it's bad. Because of this. You could even interpolate. And what do? I don't see it. I don't see it. His queen is kind of out of the game. Right? And you know, this rook technically, but this rook doesn't work either. It must be queen check. There's no knight moves, guys. Stop saying that. Oh, what about this one threatening mate? Oh, if the knight stops the mate, I have mate here. And the queen can't help. We already talked about this. It's definitely this. It's this move. It's this. Okay. Now he sacks the rook because now you can't leave. Now, do we check king moves? No. I think we simply take the rook, renew the threats. He has no checks. Sacks his queen. I'm going to go on a limb and say king takes queen. I'm not going to analyze it. There we go. Rook A2, Daniel, yeah. I miss my Charlie's After Darks. I know I didn't give you guys an After Dark on Labor Day, and you guys forgive me, Caleb. We did a chess stream on Labor Day, and then I got invited to Labor Day dinner. And it's like, it's a holiday, and I want to take... Can you guys hear that? Sounds like someone's working. It's my landlord, guys. He's maintaining the grounds. The grounds are immaculately manicured. Immaculately manicured, folks. So, yeah, man. I'm like, you know what? It's a holiday weekend. It's Labor Day. Streaming is good. Also, taking a night off is good. And then, of course, Tuesday, I don't do After Dark. So it's been a minute. It's been a minute since After Dark. We're coming back bigger and stronger and faster. The YouTube Shorts, by the way, are going nuts right now, guys. So you definitely want to get involved in that. Black to make a move. I see a king. I see multiple flight squares. I can check, but then he runs. He has this. I can take his queen. Black to move. Queen takes free. What is this puzzle? It's number 43. Is it a trap? This is a trap. Queen takes queen. If rook takes, I could play queen takes. He doesn't have any forks. There's no pawns about the queen. Just take the free queen? What was that puzzle? That puzzle was rated 2318. Dumbest puzzle ever created. Yeah. I know, but the fact that it's puzzle number 43 and it has a puzzle rating of 2318, you almost can't believe it. You almost can't believe it. Tournament starts in 23 minutes, folks. The night is here. We have a rook, but we have this square pair. Rook takes. Bishop takes. Knight takes. Hitting this, threatening a discovered attack. Then I can play check and take the bishop. Do you guys agree? Rook takes, bishop takes. Oh yeah, and if he doesn't save the bishop, I take the bishop. So it feels good, man. Now I come here, check, and he can't interpose. And rip the free hopper. There's no mate there. It was a real sniper, folks. Oh my God, that would be insane. Why are they doing this to me? Are they literally forcing me to say I know how to mate with knight and bishop? Don't remember the pattern, but the knight's supposed to be like here or something. I could come here and now you just can't leave. This knight can't have a check. I don't know. Here? Oh my God. No way. You lock the king in, he makes a move. You threaten mate, he can't do anything. And then you checkmate him. Wow. Wow. This move here is another, again, guys, I'm sorry to drive this point home, but now you just can't leave. And the reason I know I have moves is because this knight, he's on the diagonal. How many moves does it take to check my king? He has to get to here. Or like say, or let's say he gets to this square even. 1, 2, 3 moves. When the king is on this diagonal, so a lot of times what people do in speed chess and stuff, if the king's somewhere and the knight checks, they play king here. And when the king is on this diagonal, 1 square away from the knight, it takes 3 moves to check me again. So that's how I found it. Now I can't come here. If he went another way, maybe. But now we come here. He can come here, though. Oh, then I check right here. I thought they were going to make me traditionally chase him to the correct corner and mate him with the knight and bishop. That's a lot. This was a really cool little puzzle, man. You got to know that pattern, though, with the king and the bishop. Because once you get the king and the bishop, his king is locked. He's trapped. And I know the pattern. Billy Mullenix, how you doing, man? What is going on with you, my brother? Dennis Eldridge. What should we do if we are matched with you? Leave the channel. Yeah. Turn your volume down. Dennis, turn your volume down. Just turn it down. If you're watching the stream, turn the volume down. Sometimes we've had people that were stream sniping. It's usually obvious. It's cheating, so don't do it. And if I feel like you're doing it, I will recommend a blunder that looks good. And then I might gate you anyway. I got someone not too long ago on it. It was really weird too. Oh my God, they have F5. Fully knowing F5 is a horrible move, but it looked good. It looked good. They played it, they lose. And then if you try and decipher between what is a good move that I'm talking about and what is a troll move where I'm trolling you, with the delay and everything else, you're going to waste so much time. It's just not going to work. It's just not going to work. So the best thing to do if you play me, which you already know this because you're a real chess player and you understand, some stuff about chess and stuff. Just play the game. Just play your best game, right? Yeah. But I would turn the volume down, Dennis. Because with the delay and with me saying moves, even if you're not trying to stream snipe, which I know you're not, it's going to be confusing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, so that's the idea. Turn it down. Oh, look, F6 is open. The best square on the board. Yeah, exactly, Billy. Billy would be good at this. Professor Charlie, how are you? Johnny, I'm good, dude. How are you, my friend? How are you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. You got a badge, a top fan badge. Yep, love it. Okay. It is my maneuver. White to move and smush. What? Black is threatening checkmate. Might want to think about that one. But if I check king up, check king up. Oh, I have this check. Wow, this is hairy, guys. This is hairy. I'm trying to take care of it, hair, but I'm not sure. Is he threatening mate so bad that I have to take the draw? Is there a draw? I think if I ever check with this rook, he can't pass me. And then I can check from here. And then I can check from here. So we got him in a box. We're up a pawn. If there's no mate, there's a draw. And he is threatening mate and checkmate in one, guys. This rook, well, no, I don't know which rook. Check. King comes up. Check. King comes up. Check. King comes up. Is that checkmate? I think it is. I think it is because that's blocked and this is blocked. And this is blocked. Oh, what? Okay. What did I say again? Check. King up. Oh no, maybe let's check with this rook first. King up. Check. King up. Check. King up. And mate. So I said, see, now I keep freaking myself out because which rook? Check. King up. Check. King up. No. It's this rook first. Check. King up. Check. King up. No, it's this rook first. Check. King up. I already looked at it twice, guys. This is how bad I am at chess. Check. King up. Check. Oh. Yeah, and if he comes forward, if he goes back, I think it's this rook. I was in such a rhythm. Rhythm is good. Yeah, Forlorn Knight changes his channel to Forlorn Tomato. Immortal Tomato. Yes, yes. I commented because I love tomatoes and I love his content. So, perfect. Yeah. On rook d8 first, he gets to f6 and is safe. I played the wrong rook. Yeah, I played the wrong rook, man. I looked at it and got confused. I think I saw it once, and when I checked it wrong or something. That's just calculation, what's the word? Mistakes. I do have a check, and this is pinned. He comes up, and then we can start checking. Thumbs up. So we just win the pawns? Do we just... I mean, what else is there? Bishop takes, rook takes, check doesn't do anything. It just moves. So it must be rook takes. Okay. Now. I think we check and take the next pawn. My bishop's hanging. Oh, so I take with the bishop. I got it wrong. Tiny Turtle says, are we allowed to answer the puzzle? You are. Yeah, you are. You are definitely. You're encouraged to. But I'm obviously not cheating from chat. I got 2 wrong in a row. I was in a rhythm, and they were going so fast and so smooth, and it felt so good, and then I'm like, this must be it, and it wasn't it. White to move. Okay. This doesn't do anything. Check g6. Doesn't do anything. Check. I don't see this one. I could get on this pawn twice. Check, bishop takes. I can't play knight takes because bishop takes, check wins my queen. Dude, I was going to break my world record. I was going to break my world record. I feel like it starts here, but I don't see it. And that's how you get them wrong. This check I really think doesn't do anything after g6. There's nothing there, guys. Get it out of your head. Get it out of your head. This check, I mean, I don't see how c6 doesn't do anything. It must be this move. Wow. Queen takes queen. Okay. Don't have a check here, but I have a check here. G6 doesn't do anything. Now it's like, how is there a... Oh, the bishop's hanging. I didn't see it. I didn't see it, guys. How much time we got left on the tournament? 12 minutes. We're making new coffee. Had a great Labor Day. Hope everyone else also had a little family get together for the son's 7th birthday party. Caleb, that is awesome, man. That is awesome. It's a big birthday, 7, man. It's turning into a fine young man. I love it. We actually, you know what, we didn't barbecue for Labor Day. We made fancy sandwiches. We did. We got some nice bread. We actually went out. We're like, I have cherry tomatoes. Do you think that's going to be good, or should we get like a big tomato? I'm like, I don't know. Do we have onion? Now we could use onion. It's like, let's go. So we already could have made sandwiches, but we went to the store to buy like tomato and onion. I think that's all we got. We had everything else. No, we got some more meat. We got some more meats. We added some big like salami things. So good. And then Courtney knows how to cook them up real nice, guys. Brown on each side, you know what I'm saying? And it's all hot and melty. And they were very, very flavorful. I see a check, but there's no... If we take, we lose this way. So is it a way to get rid of the rook, check, king, up? Then take, bishop takes, check is checkmate. That's not it. How do we threaten? How do we? Wow, this is hard, guys. It's so hard. Chess is so hard. Oh, queen check. Because his queen's hanging. We get rid of the queen, and then we take the rook. There we go. God. Dude, I almost want to just save these for later, guys. You know why? I'm going to tell you why. You guys know why. Because tournament's coming. I wanted to get chess on my brain. I got chess on my brain. Who's in the tournament? It's me versus Pilot Cougar Chess. Guys, get in the tournament. It is pinned on YouTube and Twitch. Join tourney. I got to get the link, guys. Share, copy. Join tourney here. Bang. We're gaming tonight. We're playing Elden Ring tonight, Caleb. 1,000%. 1,000%. I need some in my life. I need some in my life. And bang. There we go, guys. Get involved. Get involved. I'll play. Hey, man, I'll go heads up against Pilot Cougar Chess. What happens if there's only 2 players? Does a tournament like not happen? I mean, I'll hang out and, you know, I'll play some games, guys. Right? You know, it would make the stream not be the biggest stream of the week, folks, because, you know, the tournament makes the stream go for a minute, right? Then I might be able to get food, but I don't need food right now. I'm fine. I'm here to game, folks. We're going to make some more coffee. We're going to be pretty hyped up. We're going to be probably overly hyped up from too much coffee. This is going to be my 4th cup today. But I'll make it my last one, guys. All right. Norsvast is coming. Love it. You guys have 7 minutes, 33 seconds to join the tournament. There may be a late join. Could be a late join, folks. Can I refresh this? Will it destroy anything in my life? Yeah, get in the tournament, guys. I'm going to take you guys with me to get some coffee. It's going to be magical. Yeah, this is cold, guys. It's only once. Okay, I won't be wasteful. You know there's someone in the world starving for coffee. So it's like a sin. You got to finish it. Hey guys, the coffee she's a brewing, but we got some breaking news. I got a gig Saturday night. Friend of ours, frontman, sings and plays guitar. He is not okay right now. So the guys in the band called me, said, can you cover for him Saturday? These guys. I mean, it's fun anyway. It's an opportunity to go play music with your friends, right? Make a few bucks. But I haven't been doing a ton of that lately, but I've been doing more. I used to do it full time. I've been playing a little more guitar, and it feels good. It really feels good to not be someone who plays guitar every 4 months. You know what I'm saying? So I took the gig for Saturday because it's an emergency for them, and it's going to be fun for me too. But now they want me to do like one Saturday a month, first Saturday of every month. That's like a gig on a schedule. That means now you can't leave, right? A lot of people would kill for that. It's a good thing. It's a beautiful thing to have friends offer you work playing guitar. It's kind of ridiculous, like how awesome it is. But I don't know if I want to commit to once a month, man. Guys, I used to play. I had like 3 or 3 to 4 gigs booked every week on a schedule. And then I would add a couple more to that, random stuff. It was just what I did full time. Then I stopped completely. So I'm kind of, I have time. I told him I'd tell him Saturday if I'm going to take everyone. You know what? I think I might talk to him because he's a friend. I can talk to him. Just tell him, hey, man, I'll do the next one. And I'll do it, but I'm going to see how it goes. And then after a few months, if I feel like I don't like it, like I already told him, the first Saturday of October, guys, it's booked. I'm leaving, guys. I'm going to freaking, I'm going to see USA versus India chess in, where was that town? We got to find out, guys, because I'm going. The coffee's ready. So I just want to give you guys that to think about. What do you guys think? Should I I don't stream on Saturdays, almost never. I guess if I never took a gig on a weekend, you have better chances for me to stream on a Saturday. But a lot of times I take that as like my day off. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, man. Guys, I'm afraid of commitment. I used to be Mr. Commitment. You know what I mean? Just write it down and go. Gotta get that coffee. Oh man, we got 4 players, folks. We got let's get back here. We got me, we got Pilot Cougar Chess, we got Mathcore, and we got Morse Cod. 4 players. I think we can have a tournament. I think it might be 3 rounds, which will be fun. Which means everyone plays everyone, which will be fun actually, because I want to play Morse Cod, I want to play Mathcore, I want to play Pilot Cougar Chess. You got a minute to join. Get in, guys. Get in. If you join, then you almost guarantee to get to play me. If you don't join, then now these guys, they can't leave. They're going to play me no matter what. You know, which is good. I'm here to play you guys. It's fun. Norvast said he's coming. Are you in, Norvast? Which one are you? Are you Morse Cod? Norvast sounds like his name could be Morse Cod. It's kind of like Morse code, but with KOD. 30 seconds, folks. Who's coming? Who's joining? Dude, we used to do tournaments like this all the time. They call them quads. They'd have like Thursday night quads. A bunch of people show up, and then they break you according to rating. The 4 closest people in rating, and you do a round robin, which means I play all 3 of the other guys, and we all play each other. We play like action chess, like 30 minutes each. It doesn't really count for your rating. I'm losing all my pieces is in. Just at the last second. You guys can still get in. You can still get in. I'm sure they're going to allow late join for this. Morse Cod, good luck. Play well, my friend. I want to thank Anthony Fowler, Mike Kinslow, Johnny Munoz, Billy Mullenix, Daniel Stamitis, Caleb Boyd. Thank you guys for all the likes. Dave Joyce for the £2. Thank you guys. Calvin Chambers, Steve Robbins, Eric Toom, Sean Barnhart. Thank you guys for likes. E4. We play E5, guys. It's the Manunu. Good luck, guys. Have mercy on me. I am not that good at chess. No, man. We are. I'm gonna play to crush you, and you play the best game you can, and whatever happens, happens. But it will be a learning. If we look back at the game critically, we will. I can do this, right? Yes. I lost the game to who was it? Was it Daniel the other day? No, it was the other guy. It was the other guy. I messed up my move order in the beginning. That's bad. Plays the knight back. Make a little kicker. We're playing chess, folks. We're running at him with the big center. He's got more pieces developed. I have my unfair share of El Centro. What is that? Oh, it's just a gnat or something. Oh, I got him too. Grabbed him right out of the sky, folks. Woo! Plays Queen E2, which is a move. But Queen E7 blocks. Queen E7 knight takes. So I think I'd play Bishop E7. I think I'd play Bishop E7 here. There's no rush. This drops his pawn. No, because I get this, nobody will be on my queen. This is usually the move you play in a different move order. I think we do this. And now we say your queen is just blocking your bishop. I don't know. Does it lose? I'm not sure what to do here, guys. I'm a little bit confused. Little bit confused. Yeah. Yep. Now, I can kick before I play knight c6. Knight f6 stops queen check. And I can kick later. So I'm going to play knight f6. Just don't lose. Just don't lose. If I can get out of the opening now, I am in a position I'm kind of familiar with. You know what I'm saying? This exact line, have I played it before? No. I think I played this line and I messed it up with the other line. And I looked at it afterwards and I was like, just Bishop E7, just develop. This is a move with threats. I think we kick now. You know what's funny? I think it's like kick, knight moves, pawn takes, queen takes, and push. I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, so I think it's kick. That's why it's kick. That's why it's kick. And then we cast. Now I'm okay. Yeah, Forlorn Knight Gaming, man. I feel like that's a cool name. We have a friend. I say he's a friend. He's a fellow Facebook gaming partner. I believe he's a partner. Great streamer. Really good Souls player. He does like no-hit runs and stuff. Or definitely no death. Probably no-hit runs too. Across multiple Souls games. He's a good player. Nice guy. Nice guy. And brings the knight. Now I'm attacking one knight. And if I attack a second knight, I think I win a piece. He has no checks. Pawn takes. We just take. Everything's okay. I think he made a mistake. If you... Oh, no, wait. I can just take the knight. I'm not even seeing I can just take this. And then there's a naughty thing coming up behind it, too. There's naughty stuff behind it, guys. Guys, remember, my opponent is one of us. He is Morse cod. His rating is 872. He is just a little over half my rating. So he's definitely toward the beginning of his chess journey. I played the tricky trappy on him, guys. I played the tricky tracky on him. Yeah. Forlorn Knight Gaming is really good. And he changed his name of his page to Immortal Tomato, which is a great name too. It's a great gaming name. Hey, it's fun. You know, I love tomatoes. Yeah, that's not a bad idea because of the fact that I was threatening queen check, and he couldn't save the knight. So this is good. So now I think I just castle. Everything's covered. This could be the move, but his queen is looking at my king, and I don't like that. I don't need any of that queen looking at my king action in my life, in my lifestyle, guys. I have a very good lifestyle, which includes my king not being on the same file as my opponent's queen. It's a lifestyle change. Pin Ning. Huh. Guaranteed Stockfish is 96. He's threatened takes, but this is going to be here. Now, what do we... remember we talked about? It does give him C3. I could take queen takes. I don't have the bishop. Take queen takes, knight up, hitting this square. Takes, castle's long. I think I'm okay. This check, he has C3. But, you know what I like about that move, don't you? It seriously doesn't let him go queen side. I could play bishop. Pawn push. Takes. Pawn takes. Now, you don't have your initiative anymore. You know what I'm saying? I want this queen on this square to be bad for his queen. Takes, queen takes, and knight up. Maybe? Takes. Take first. Oh, that's what I said. That's what I said. Maybe take first and knight up. Am I up a piece? I'm up a piece. I need to not worry about what the best move is. I just need to make it. He's attacking this right here. So get the queen out. C3. Trade. Nope. Just trade. Just trade. Just trade. I gotta trade, guys. I'm up a full piece. I'm up a full piece. So every trade that happens makes us closer to winning the end game, being up a full piece. Yeah, it looks like castling for him is the best idea to castle queenside, right? And the queen check. It's not like C3 came with tempo. I still get another move, but it kind of weakens. He might still castle. Plays the knight. Okay. I wonder if I have pawn takes queen. I think I do. Because this is not check. Yeah, it's just tactics. Queen a5, bishop d2. Oh yeah, bishop back. Could have maintained the initiative. You're right. Would he undevelop his bishop though? He put his bishop on g5. That probably would be the best move. Dave Joyce was saying with the queen check here, queen check. I'm like c3 stops the check. but it's not with initiative. But queen a5 bishop back, he hits my queen. Now my queen has to move somewhere, and it's his move. He takes a queen, and we get this. I underpromoted to a rook, guys. For the memes. I'm like, is this going to be a mistake? It's not a mistake. Okay, now I have a check and a check. But there's no checkmates or anything. So I think we simply rip the knight. Check. C3. Check. Doesn't do anything. I don't think I undeveloped this. I think we come here. I think this is best. I'm doing it. Okay, so now I'm up 3 pieces. And he castles. And he's threatening to win my pawn. So I'm going to defend the pawn. No, because then he has rook over. No, then I have king f7. I'm doing it. Rook over attacks the bishop and the bishop. But king f7 protects the bishop. Plays f4. Okay, I think I play king f7 now. Ooh, then he'll push. So do I push the pawn to protect it? I could just save this now. And then play this move if I need to. I can just develop. And if he pushes, just come back. No. Develop. Rook attacks my bishop. No, but then this is protected. I develop. I develop. I develop. I develop. I think it's okay. I hope it's okay. I feel like I'm in trouble. Do we get some last minute joiners, folks? Oh, we got some late joiners. I love it. Daniel Semitic joined in. Oh, man, look at this. We had 8 players. We had 4 and it doubled up. Love it. Tiny Turtle is in. Tiny Turtle, welcome to the tournament, man. Scandinavian. I love that name, Scandinavian. It's kind of like Scandinavian. He attacks my hopper. I want to protect my pawnster. This kind of gets in the way, but this stays on the pawn. No, it blocks the rook. This is the maneuver. And this is going to be a move. I had too many pieces. And my pieces aren't great, but let's just kind of look at squares my pieces are looking at. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of squares. It's a lot of squares. He pushes. We could put the pressure, guys, because now he can't back off. Where does he go, though? I think we simply improve and trade. I thought I dropped this for a second. But I put this here earlier. I still would... Okay, so I would have only been up 2 pieces. But does he have a pawn? Okay. Moving backwards. Does he have a pawn? 2, 4, 5? Yes, he does. He has a pawn for the 3 pieces. I get the fork. No, it's not there, folks. It's not there. These pawns are rolling, man. Do I do something like this? Do I just bring the other rook? Because I said my pieces kind of suck, man. I don't think I can get run over with that many pieces there, can I? Oh. Well, no. He's threatening that, but then it's like, my knight can move. I'm just bringing a piece, guys. Just bringing a piece. Bringing a piece. Yeah. Dave Joyce. Dave Joyce says we bring the last piece, Rook C8, guys. Dave Joyce approved. I found it. I did it on my own power, guys. I move first and I look later, guys. But I think here. You can attack my knight. Yeah, that might lose a piece. I could play knight takes, rook takes, check, and just be up 2 pieces and a pawn and open his king up. That's a real possibility, guys. It's a real possibility. I could go here, rook over, knight takes, no, because then this knight hangs. This bishop sucks, man. I'm up pieces and they're working. Should I just trade? I have a minute left. I could blunder, guys. I could blunder. I don't want to bring this knight somewhere. Hope it works. This knight was unprotected. You know what I'm saying? In a lot of lines, it could run into mucho problemas. I can go here and then push and then here. Defended by the knight. Open up the bishop. Yeah, this is a good move too because of this I didn't even see. Now I see it. Now you can't control this file. Well, he can kind of, but no, not there he can't. Not there he can't. Not here. Yeah, no, that would probably force him over. I don't know. I know that he's way up on time. Morse Cod, you have managed your time better than me. Brings the rook. Now something's getting traded for sure. If everything trades, yeah. Okay, I have a minute. Infiltration squares. So I think we just take the pawn. Keep the pressure. Okay, he moves. This forces some stuff. I have to move, guys. I have to move. I need time. There's only 5-second increment. I forgot. Dude, I'm thinking I'm playing 15-10. Now I have to move really fast. Wow. I'm on this. Just trying to beat me on time, guys. That's never going to work. It's never going to work. Okay. Hey, teacher. Leave my pieces alone. Now you can't move. Okay, I'm building my time back up. Wow, that was scary. And I'm not going to mate him with the knights and the bishop. I'm gonna make a queen, like a good grandmaster. Get a few free seconds here. He wants to come in here. Can I stop him? It doesn't matter. Right there. Just defend it. He's trying to get stalemated, guys. He's trying to stalemate. He's trying to... Do I take a pawn with check so I can't lose? Yes. It's check. Then I'll come back check here. I have to be careful. He has a square. He has a square. He has a square. Now I can say check. Isn't it cool the way he can't come forward? Okay, now I queen and he has a square. You gotta just be sure he has a square to move to, guys. Now you look for the checkmate. Two knights or one knight. He has a square. Let's cut him off. Yeah, it's a move, but I have a check. Right? Now I have a check. Comes there. I wish I had another check. Oh, I got this check here though. We just work him down the lane, folks. Rings that. Now he's in the corner. Nope. One good idea too is just I could just walk my king. You know what I mean? I probably should walk my king. He has squares. He has a square. He has a square. Or two. I think I can get in this way, right? Dude. Did I have mate like in 2, mate in 1, mate in 3 multiple times? Sorry, my game took so long, guys. You guys are still playing? No. All right, I get Daniel right away, folks. Daniel, play well, my friend. I think I beat Daniel for the first time, guys. Recently. No, I think I beat him, but it was a long time ago when I did beat him. And then I just beat him again recently. I think it was a 3-minute game though. Kinda doesn't count. I lost the game to this tactic last time. So I'm just going to develop. E6 is probably better square. E6 is probably better square. Bishop E6. You say, but it blocks your pawn. Yeah, but I'm already developed. And it's a more active square. But this is more of a classical. All your old Sicilians, you want to go back to the 50s, 60s? Bishop D7. Bishop just always went to D7, guys. It's a thing. It's a real thing. Yeah. The Bishop D7 maneuver. Can we join mid-tournament? Joe Curl, try. I don't know if you'll get in this late. Sometimes it'll allow it. Sometimes it won't. You got the link, right? Try. Love to have you, man. Love to have you. Let me see how many rounds is it claiming the tournament is. It's only a 3-round tournament, man. We got a 3-rounder, folks. You took you too long. I don't know what it means. Oh, for the mate. Yeah, for the mate of the last game. I understand it now, Daniel. Agree. Okay. Just remember we're talking about life choices. Get the rook off the bishop. You know what I mean? It's not a bad maneuver, guys. We'll pre-move this. And we will continue with the position. I feel like I don't have a crazy bad position. But I can't just keep making natural moves. I mean, I can to an extent till I have to stop and have to think. I have a time advantage. That's rare. Yeah, the rook b8 Chinese dragon. You're exactly right. But not a6, though. Not a6. But the rook b8, guys. Dave Joyce is talking about the Chinese dragon. It was an idea in the Sicilian. Or would they play a6? I don't think they would. Most of those lines, you play rook b8 and b5 like right away, right? Even if you lose the pawn or something. It's all about speed, guys. It's all about time. Gary Kasparov said time is precious, right? He castles long. Good. I could do something stupid. I think I'm going to claim my space. I'm going to claim my spatula as well I can, folks. At an itch, folks. Tired of itching my face on stream. You could take a screenshot. You go back and watch a stream earlier. When someone does like this and you take a picture, it looks like they're picking their nose. It's funny. It's funny. They do it to presidents all the time, folks. That's why you never touch your face when you're on camera. If you care. Key stops me from advancing. I was actually kind of looking at coming to this square to attack this square to threaten this. Right? Where does my queen go? My knight comes here, it just gives him f4. He wants f4. Can I play d5? I can't. That's why bishop e6, I could play d5. I could push, but it's not smart. I could do this. Keep coming. Knight d5. Knight takes, pawn takes, knight moves. Queen takes a5. That could lose a pawn. I could push, but it makes this pawn weak. So the pushing thing isn't really working. I want to connect the rooks, but I feel like the queen is like kind of going away from... Maybe queen? Oh, no, this doesn't fall. This doesn't fall if I push. I think I push. No, it does fall. Push. No, it opens up this. I just don't. Oh yeah, I said here was what I was looking at. Then knight d5 takes. I move my knight, and the pawn is protected. So you know what? I'm pushing forward. Boy, that is so horrible. It's such an incredible waste of time. I had a faulty calculation. Then I looked at it again, and I'm like, oh wait, my queen's protecting it. Probably should have just played Queen C7, but I feel like it's not best. I feel like it's not best, guys. The beauty is this knight is not going to be... He plays that move. I could play queen. He always plays king h1. So... maybe now develop my queen because it comes with an idea. There's stuff there, though. I think I want to get rid of this guy first. It opens up his rook, though, man. Why would I open up his rook on purpose? This is an idea. Takes, takes. And I opened up this diagonally. Connect the rooks. He wants to play e5. He can't do it right now if I keep the knight here. I said there's something I don't like about this. Oh yeah, knight d5. Takes, pawn takes. And my knight doesn't have any good squares. If it goes forward, it blocks my diagonal. I already looked at this. I have to learn to kind of look. e5? I gotta move. I played e5, folks. Very committal. Structure changing. It's a blitz game, guys. That's 10-minute chess. There's no time to think. There's no time to think. Takes. Now, do I take with the knight or do I take with the pawn? If I take with the knight, he can push. This square comes available. What am I leaving behind? This, my queen's got it. If I take with the pawn. If I take with the knight, he could play queen up, maybe. I think he played queen up anyway. But this does put a bind. And it limits. And it blocks. Taking with the pawn, I think, was best. He brings the knight. He's attacking this twice. I kind of have to take or move it. Takes, takes. That kind of sucks. Takes, takes. But then, you know, we could have ideas. We could have some ideas. Some structural maneuvers. You can't push. I just rip and then take, win a pawn. Keeping the queen out, I think, was not a bad idea. The bishop might come here anyway. If it was here, I should have played bishop e6 a long time ago. Get over it, Charlie. Stop beating yourself up about the bishop e6 maneuver. Bishop d7 was very classical. It's old grandmaster chess. Lasker probably puts his bishop on d7. You know what I'm saying? Did Lasker even play the Sicilian, though? That's the question. Will Anthony, good afternoon, man. Thank you for the like and the share as always, brother. Wait, didn't you share earlier? Like before I even started? No, this is William Hunt. Sorry, Will. Guys, I'm sorry, Will. I just saw the Will and I was thinking that you were Will Hunt. I'm sorry, man. But thank you for the like. How you doing today? Hope life is well. Looking at your picture, Hollywood sign. Love to see it. Have you ever been up to the Hollywood sign? Okay, now if takes, I think this is okay, and I think I take. He's attacking my knight. Could be bad. He's on my knight. If I hit, he might just kick it. It's gonna chase around. It's gonna end up here anyway. Coming. Coming with the kick drum, folks. I have a lot of options. My king's a little weak. Dark squares are weak. Is he going to be able to take advantage of them? I don't know. We're fixing to find out. All the while, if my queen moves, this pawn falls. If I open, he's probably going to love this square. So maybe, I don't know. I don't exactly rightfully know. I don't know. Might be able to break through on the queen side and do something. It's kind of weird too. But you know what? I might see an idea. Might see an idea to make everything okay. I don't have enough. Ooh, I am up on the clock a minute. I might need to run to the restroom here in a few minutes. Not too sure. Takes, and I think we take this way. And there's an idea behind it. There's an idea behind taking this way. I don't know if it works. But it might be okay. King moves. Wow. I'm going to come here because it does a few things. It kind of slows this down. It kind of looks at this. It kind of slows this down. And then, so now my rooks are finally connected, guys. My rooks are finally connected. Call the newspapers. We can maybe shove this way. That'd probably be a great idea. Oh, man. Did Joe Curl get in? Were you able to get in, Joe Curl? Just keeping an eye on stuff, guys. That's all I'm doing. That's not a bad move. This protects, I can push now. And it keeps my bind. If I come here, I can't push. Did we attack this square? We'll make it this later. This, and I see ideas. I was looking at F5. I was looking at F6 actually. When I said F5, I was trolling because this I think might be the move I'll play when I need to. You know what I'm saying? Because I can't allow him to sink something in here. That would be too much. I think it's time to go ahead and just put a little more bind right here. This will protect this. This will protect it too. Yep. We have to play F6 now, or F5. But F6 covers G5, which is huge. Now I might come here and push this way. This pawn is kind of in his way. Might do this. He could jettison it to activate his bishop. Really could. I don't think it's worth it. I think he had a chance to get a protected pass pawn earlier. Did he not, Dave Joyce? I thought he did. I thought he did. Maybe he didn't. Maybe I was afraid of ghosts. But I thought he had c4. And then he just has this lasting endgame advantage. Bishop comes. Cool. Oh, that drops my pawn. Yeah, he's just better. I want to move, but I can't. Wow, my queen is defending a pawn. Queen c5. It drops the pawn. This rook move was bad. I could come here. Getting low on time, guys. Well, no. I just used a bunch of my time to not blunder. We're even on time. I used a bunch of my time to not blunder. I play like rook up, rook over. Well, I can't. Pawn takes. He just moves, guys. He just moves. That's a maneuver. I had to move, guys. I had to move. Do I take with the queen? I think I do. Because I can take the file and he can't because his bishop's way over here. You know what I'm saying? I could take a file. I could cover this, double up on the file, play f5, and then infiltrate. I don't know. It looks good for me. We got to bind on this square too. This bishop doesn't want to be here, but it wants to be there. But it doesn't want to be there, but it wants to be there. But it doesn't want to be there. He could move his queen. He could. I'll do something like this, maybe this. We're still coming in on the queen side, folks. This could attack the pawn. He does something like this. This square becomes weak, although it's hard to pile up on this thing. But his bishop wants to protect the pawn. It has to keep... Brings the queen. Probably not an altogether bad move. I can take this pawn, right? And then run like the wind to be free again? Wow. That's a move. He has rook takes. He has rook takes rook. I didn't see it. Plays queen check. Wow. That's probably a winning move. Did I have some rook takes check here? I'll look at it later. Wow. I'm losing, guys. I had something, but now I have nothing. I can resign. I'm going to resign. I'm losing a piece, right? Did I have... Now the next game is going to start for sure. Did I have rook takes check? Bishop takes queen takes check. I don't think so. That was a good tactic, Esau. That was a good tactic, Esau. Why is it not? Oh, these guys are still playing. Guys, I have to run to the restroom for the before last run. I'll be right back. And I almost had a cheesy draw, guys. I almost had a cheesy draw. Pilot Cougar Chess, good luck to you, my friend. Good game, Daniel. Good game. Wasn't there, huh? Lois, how you doing? E4, C5, knight of 3. Hammer, dude, how you doing, man? I'm doing great, Hammer. We're having a fun tourney. It's a little chill today. D6. Double up. Knight F6. I feel like Bishop C4 is almost guaranteed the move. F4 is not good in this position. Do I play F3? I'm playing it. Okay. I feel real good about this. Hey, how you doing, man? Terzo, welcome. Lois, welcome. It's good to see you. Christopher Doggett, how you doing, my brother? Welcome, welcome, welcome. What do we got here? Makes a castle. I'm gonna make a castle too. Just make a castle, guys. As rook takes check. After queen, no, but maybe before, no. I was looking at sacking the rook on that square. Bishop D7. Very old school. And very chill. We're going this way. We're going this way. Hammer, I'm doing good. How are you, man? Rook C2, was that an idea, Dave Joyce? Was Rook C2 an idea? And I almost had that, he plays Rook F6. Queen F6, he takes my other rook, and I had a draw. He plays A6. So we definitely push this. We'll look at the game, guys, probably tomorrow, and you'll see this was the move. Both these were the moves. They're always the moves, guys. They're always the maneuvers. This guy's just playing. He's like studying openings or something. Trying to open him up, folks. Takes. This could transpose to the Bobby Fischer game. Bishop 5 blocking app. Oh, we'll have to look at it. Are you talking before I resigned or when I resigned? I was worrying, did I just prematurely resign? But I didn't see any way. I feel like I'm losing a rook and I don't have anything. You know what I'm saying? That was the problem. He just played the good queen check. Daniel is just solid through the whole game. You know what I mean? When he plays inaccuracies, they're not game losing. And then when you give him something, he takes it. You know what I'm saying? He's just solid. He's just more solid than me, you know? He plays good. Yeah, it was very interesting, man. I will definitely learn from that one. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring and other games after dark, whatever I want. The night comes back. Definitely trade that. Definitely take this. And the knight is kind of blocking. But I see some ideas he may have. Knight, he can kick me though. Then I could come here though. And that could be a good square. I think I'm supposed to do this now. So we don't lose on time. What am I going to win, a pawn? I'm going to win a pawn in this position. That, you know what? That could be good. Winning a pawn. This pawn is unprotected. I could also just like connect my rooks. That could be a really good move. Because everything's still there. F4 doesn't work. I'm coming here. Coming here. I think 95 can come when it comes. Because it can be pushed away. I don't think we play it yet. I think we play it when it matters. But I saw ideas of queen up, knight d5, knight f4. So that was probably the move. Queen up was probably the move. You could play a5, but then my knight lives for a long time. Rent-free in his d5 square. Well, it'd be my d5 square. I don't know, folks. I don't know. Man, I saw a guy play a game earlier today, a master. And he was in a position very similar. It wasn't from a Latvian Gambit, but it had the open file. It had a weak square on g6. He had a pawn on d5. The open f file. He wasn't castle with his king. There were all kinds of threats that were coming in. I'm just like, I was seeing a whole bunch of the resources because it's something I live I live with. You know what I mean? The knight comes, looking at f4. But blocking this. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to come to the good square, guys. It's the good square. And there are ideas behind it. Multiple. This is a great square for the knight, like, in many, many positions. Yeah, that's a move. Coming up. Now my idea is f4 takes and then push. You feeling that? It's a sacrifice. This diagonal is weak right now. Push. Bishop takes push. Yes, bishop takes, but then I can take here. He takes my rook. I take his rook with check. I come in. I get this. I think I'm okay in that line. There's a lot of stuff that could happen between now and then, though. If I play f4 now, bishop take... No, that's it. This is the sack I'm thinking about. If I come back, I'm never going to get this move in. f4 takes f5. I can still take back because I'm attacking two pieces. You can play bishop takes. I take check, rook over, and I think he's okay. So it doesn't really work. Spending a lot of time on it. Maybe bishop? Just move, guys. I didn't know what to do. Oh. He attacks my bishop with tempo. I didn't even consider it. This is check. Rook takes bishop check. Rook takes check, check, check. Looks pretty good. Knight check. Queen takes. Knight check here. Pawn takes, bishop takes check. Knight check here, rook takes, I take. Knight check here, I'm also on the square again. So I think knight check might win. Knight check might win. Pawn takes. Takes check, takes. Does he get away? He shouldn't. He shouldn't. Do I do it? Do I go for it? Knight check? Speculative sacrifice, guys? Or knight here. Wait. No, I can't go knight here. I could go knight back and hit the knight. And I'm on it twice. If knight takes... I play bishop takes check, and then I come in here. And this is also hanging. So knight back might be the move. Rook takes, I check. 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 And he's coming forward, and he must be getting mated. This might be the move. And if pawn takes... I can take this, hit the queen, and threaten this. here. If pawn takes, I take him on the queen. I come here. He goes there. I go here. That looks kind of dryish. I don't see it. What about knight hits the rook? You can't defend this. Knight hits the rook. Pawn takes. Takes. And he's okay. He gets 2 pieces for that. This is... I gotta stop looking at that. I already looked at it. Here... I think I'm going here. It might not work. Maybe I just come back? Let him take. Oh my god. Knight check, pawn takes. Oh, knight check, takes. I think I can mate him here, guys. I think he might not get away. Or it's going to be... I might get some stuff back, but I got to have time is the problem. This one I said, what... Take it doesn't do anything. Knight here? I don't see it. Push. Takes. Push. Takes. No. Doesn't work. I come back here. Do I have anything? No. This is... So I just have to come back here. And not lose. I think I go for the sack. Now I gotta move fast. I didn't need to do this, by the way. I could have played back and just played safe and had a worse position. Maybe not worse, but I think he's defended. I don't see how to break through. This way, I think breaks through. This way definitely breaks through. I'm going to be on this queen. This could be a threat. An e5. E5 could be a move at some point. Cutting off more squares. This is pinned. He does have knight f4. We looked at it all. We looked at it all, folks. Looking. This... He's got so much time. Couldn't have played knight back. I think this was the one. This was an idea too. Rook can't really take. I mean, it might kind of, but I think it'd be in too much trouble. So I think knight takes. I don't know. Bring the queen. Could be a move. Could be a maneuver, guys. He could bring. He takes it. Now I gotta go because I got no time. Knight covers key square. Yeah, it's a move. I think I still take here. And will we see the I didn't even want to say what it is. I gotta watch my clock though. I really gotta watch my clock. Oh, he has rook takes knight. Yeah, there's that. Okay. I might have got him, folks. Ugh. It's horrifying. I think this is mating. The knight is too strong like bull. I can't... If that sack was good, it was clearly speculative. I could have played bishop back and I wouldn't have been happy with my position. That looked like the place to put my knight to open him up. He probably had better defensive moves. Bringing the rook wasn't a bad idea, but I don't know if it was the move. I don't know, though. I just know that the knight, it creates more threats. Once I get this pawn. I gotta watch the clock. I was gonna say, are we gonna see the line where he gets a queen check? And I wish I would have played king b1. You know what I mean? It happens a lot. It's just there's no way for him to stop the checkmate. This is checkmate, and he can't stop it. If he goes here, this is checkmate. If he moves the rook to try and get away, it's still checkmate. He has no checks. He can't stop the checkmate, guys. I think I got him. I think this is mating. Look at the knight. Wow. He gave me the piece back, though, didn't he? It's horrifying. What was wrong with knight f6? Check. Pawn takes. I consider that line too, Nigel. I considered that line too. I looked at it. I'm not saying I calculated it and everything was perfect. I looked at that line. I looked at knight f6. I looked at a whole bunch of moves. I played this crazy one. My knight was here, right? And his knight was here. Yeah, I played this one. Then here, and here, and here. Did all that happen? I gotta watch my clock. If I blink and I don't hear the noise, I could lose on time. Ugh. That might have been better, Nigel. It may have been better. I don't know. But I looked at a whole bunch of different stuff, and knight f4 is the one I settled on. But I don't know, man. You guys are so hard, man. You know why I'm rated 1600? Because I don't play you guys all day at rated 1000. If I did, my rating would be 1200. It's because I played 1600, 15, 14, 15, 16, 1700 players. That's why my rating's 1600. I mean, you still got to get there, but once you get there, it's like, they're not so hard to beat. You know what I mean? But man, I'm winning this, I think, based on some luck. If this is mating, I think it is. I don't think he can stop it. Brings the rook, and this is checkmate. Good game, dude. Thumbs up to him. Oh, Daniel with 3 out of 3. I got second place on tie breaks, and Tiny Turtle with third place. Both of us had 2, but I won the tie breaks. Oh, man. Dude, that was hard. That was hard. Oh. Knight f6 might have worked. So knight f6 might not have been better. You think knight f6 was better? Let's take a look. This is the one I'm going to look at right now. And I'll go over the other games tomorrow. I was never losing. Look at the squiggler. Look at the squiggler cam, folks. I was never losing. I played some inaccuracies. Like, better. Oh, made a little mistake there. Better. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. He made a mistake. I'm crushing winning. Oh, now I'm just better. And then we slowly climbed up. Look at that. So it was better than I thought it was. Let us look at the... Is it this one right here? Yeah, it's this one right here, folks. 89% by me and 71% by him. Good game, dude. Good game. I had 3 great moves. 3 blue moves. And he did really good with the opening, too. 10 book moves by him. 9 by him. I played like a 2,000. He played like a 1250. I made 1 mistake and 1 miss. I had a miss. We're going to see what it was. There's no blunders in that game, dude. He never blundered. He made 4 mistakes and 3 inaccuracies. The inaccuracies. I made no inaccuracies. That's weird, man. Not a single inaccuracy, guys. Let's take a quick look at it. We're going to go to the book first. D5 is number 1. Knight D4 is number 2. Bishop D7 is a move. Third most common played, but much less. G4 here for sure. And H4 for sure. I knew those were right. King B1 was the second best move. And this, you could throw it in at any time. But I'm coming like this, man. That's my move. Did Nemo play this as white? Is that her? Is 2200 range about right? Nemo Zoo, that's Nemo, right? Yeah, I think Nemo played this as white, guys. Now let's just go to the computer. Knight E5. Knight E5. King B1. Knight F3? I don't see it. Oh, because then he gets stuff? That's weird. Takes. Best. I'm just supposed to play Queen H6 here. Oh, because he can't defend this square, but he's going to get away. It's +3, though. He just runs. E5. Opening it up, guys. If he pushes D5, we just take. But I'm going to open it up and then like bring a rook here. Now you just can't leave. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they did. It was a really good tournament, man. You guys are tough. I should have played Queen H6. I'm like, connect the rooks. That was excellent. It wanted E5. Yeah, I'm not even seeing E5, Dave Joyce. E5 because it rips it open. And it's pinned because this is hanging. If he pushes, this is a beautiful square. So, yeah. E5, man. That was okay. I wanted Bishop C4. I played it here. There we go. Knight F6 was better. You guys are right. Knight F6 was better. It is plus 5.3 after Knight F6. And it is plus 1.9. It's like 3 pawns. It's like I'd lose 3 pawns by doing this, but I'm still winning. You know what I'm saying? So let me see why. You said Knight F6 check. EF6. Oh, because it's check. Oh, this is crushing. Yeah, Knight F6 because it's check. Knight F6. What about king moves? It's mating. Never even saw that. Knight F6 was better. You were 1,000,000% right, Nigel. And Dave Joyce, too. Yeah. If rook takes, it goes check, check, and mate. And all his pieces are blocking his escape squares, right? Knight F6 was just winning. Okay, here. That was his best move. Yeah, well, taking the free piece. It's not free, but taking the piece. Okay, now, best move again. Best move. Best move, and it's mate in 1. Here. queen e6. And just give this up, threatening mate. And he gets away. I can't play that. Oh no, if I take here, it's mate here. Wow, yeah, it's just too much wood. It's just too much wood. That was awesome, man. Bill Stevens, welcome, dude. We had some wild games, man. A really good game against Daniel Stamitis. This game here against Pilot Cougar Chess was insane. I was doing better than I thought I was. I thought I was losing, not gonna lie. Yeah, bishop takes knight for sure. I had knight f6, check. If rook takes, check. Here, check. Check. Wait, though. What did we say? Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, we just looked at this. We just looked at this. Wait. Oh, yeah, and then, wait. Oh, the knight's pinned. You know what? I looked at a line like this. Well, I'm sure it was his line. And I thought he could play knight back. But I could still take, but I thought he could get away or something. You would just take with the rook anyway. You can't. It doesn't even exist. Good game. Guys, what a great tournament. If you're new to the stream, hit the like button and the follow button. We've been streaming Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Texas time for... I changed the time up a little bit, but we've been doing this for 4.5 years, so going on 5 years now. Getting close to 5 years, actually. And so we got the great community. We do this 4 times a week minimum with the best community in the world. Tournament day is every Wednesday. Tomorrow we are going to... I'm going to do some puzzles while we look at those other 2 games. They were good games. Good games. And I can learn from them a lot. Will you check our game? Yeah, Daniel, I'll check it. I never check your game. I always save it. I always save it for the tomorrow because I want a little bit more time with it. But let's look at it. Let's look at it, Daniel. We're going to look at this game, guys. This is against the 1900, the highest rated guy in the tournament. The guy that won the tournament. Game review. Look at the squiggler cam, folks. It reveals all. Look at this game, guys. Look at this game. Look at... You see how smooth that is? That means we're both playing like really good. And then it gets a little bit better for me. And then I'm like definitely better. And then I am clearly better. That might be winning as far as Hikaru's concerned. And then it was dead flat. And then I blundered. So I was doing better than I thought that whole game. I'm under evaluating my position. I am. Yeah, he played, let me show you what he did here. He played 91.6% accuracy. I played 85. He had one brilliant move. I had none. He had one great move. I had none. I had more best moves because that's because he was busy making brilliant and great moves. Yeah. 3 inaccuracies each. He made one mistake. I made none. I had a miss. That's what I can't wait to see. And I had a blunder. And it says he played like a 2300 and I played like a 2250. That was not a really bad low-level game. Good game, Daniel. Okay. So no one plays a6 here. Is it rook b8 instantly? Opening book. It's knight d4, which I considered because this bishop is a bishop. You say, oh, but he messes your pawns up. No, he doesn't. He gives me an advanced pawn, and he got rid of his bishop. Now this bishop lives forever. You know what I'm saying? This bishop he's blocked a little bit, but he's kind of hindering these pawns from moving forward. And if they do, the bishop comes to life again. We play on the queen side. We move the rook. We start shoving pawns, and we start attacking stuff. This thing being up there, it's taking some space. I consider that move, but rook b8 immediately. The straight Chinese dragon, rook b8. Yeah, they're 2300s, 2800. I don't see any famous people. I don't see any Chinese a6 was too slow. Always is. Oh, wait. Analyses. White is still slightly better. I haven't equalized yet. That was okay. It wanted bishop h6. Bishop h6. Yeah, because it's not like his knight can come. His knight's over here. But still, bishop h6 seems weird, but okay. Oh, I went the wrong way. The way I feel if you push a down button, it should, and then you push the up button, it should go right back to where you just were. Okay. E5 was best. Pretty proud of that one, guys, because it's like, when you start playing chess, you have no idea. Then you start realizing you're making holes, and you hate to do it. Once I play this move might never be able to be played. It's so committal. I said something like changing the structure, committing, right? But it's what I thought was best. Takes was best. Now, this is structure, guys. If I take this way, I have no pressure on this pawn. If I take this way, but could he have pushed here? Maybe not. That was best move. C3. It wants C3 to threaten C4. C3 I kind of have to take, right? That was best. F6 was best. I saw the idea of F6. I saw it in chat. Dave Joyce said F5 or F6. I mentioned F5. I literally said F5 because I was kind of trolling. I mean, I might play F5. Really might play F5. But I'm like, F6 is going to just shut this down. It's going to be easily defendable. You know what I'm saying? You don't like to play F6, but it's actually, in this position, it's a great move. It's a great move. F6 and F5 are almost tied. They're almost tied. That was bad. I wanted H5. Wow. That's hard to play. H5 is hard to play. Queen B6 in inaccuracy. It liked H5. Oh, you know what? Why H5 is kind of cool? If he tries to open, I could take the file. Contest it anyway. We'll take it. B4 was best. It's -1 right now. Oh, I should have took with the pawn. That was a miss. I had Queen D6. Taking here is bad. Queen D6. And what? Now we just have pressure over here or something. Queen E1 attacking. Queen takes D5. Wow. Bishop G4. We just ripped that, no? Yeah, just take it. H6, see whoever pushes, we can push and hide behind it probably. Yeah, black is clearly better here. Clearly better here. Taking this pawn, it goes from... this goes from -2, meaning I'm up like equivalent of 2 pawns, to being dead equal. That's a great move. That was best. Best. Now what do I do here? This is what I meant. Used to be blonde-black then. I said, oh, because I have bishop f5 check. I was saying, did I have this? And I do. And it's the only good move. It's the only good move. It's the only move that keeps the position equal. Check. Takes queen check. King g1. And bishop f5. I didn't see the follow-up of bishop f5. Because he has this. But I'm up a piece. I didn't see it. I didn't even consider this. If I would have played this, takes, check, I may have seen this, but I may have had it in the line. Like, even if not rook takes, do I have bishop f5 now? No, he's winning here. Because of what? Because my rook kings. Yeah. So I had rook takes check. And you know what? I think I took a bio break. I ran over there and I was like, did I have rook c2 check? I know there was a couple of moves I was thinking when I get away from the computer, I can usually clear my head and come up with a plan or maybe say, wait, what about this move? I can't always calculate it to the end like Hikaru does, but I'll be like, when I'm not looking at the board, I can see other moves I didn't even consider. And I didn't even consider this, and keeps it equal. Man, good game, Daniel. Yeah, that was a really good game. We both played very good, man. You could see by that squiggler, man, but so long into the game, we're still like move 28. Move 28 and like we're both playing good moves. You know what I'm saying? Wait, is that 28? No, it's only move 19. It's only move 19. Yeah, like right about here. Move 19. All the way up to move 19, it's like dead equal. Pretty smooth. And we didn't have a whole bunch of jumps, man. Dude, thank you, man. Thank you for the game. Guys, thanks for playing the tournament. Guys, hit the like button on the way out. If you're on Facebook, hit like. On Twitch, hit the follow button. And on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. If you like chess, hit the button, folks. I'll be back in a few hours. I'm going to make some food. I'll be back at 8 p.m. for Gaming After Dark, guys. Absolutely amazing stuff. I'll also be back tomorrow for chess at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. Freaking love you guys. It was a good tournament, man. It was a good tournament. We got to come over here. You guys like the way I narrate